Kia's Cadenza can be a compelling choice within a shrinking segment. For those who prefer sedans to SUVs, it not just represents a good value but additionally provides new luxury features throughout its model range. Inside its well-built cabin is room for 4 adults to fully stretch in comfort, plus the luxe features only recover the further up its range you climb. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features, and highly sought-after active safety tech, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and more, is provided as standard about the mid-range technology trim along with the top-spec Limited. That the Cadenza wears a handsome and upscale design is icing around the automotive cake. High's intuitive infotainment system, technology-heavy equipment list, generous warranty. Low's tepid acceleration, lackluster braking performance, limited cargo flexibility. Verdict: the Cadenza is often a high-touch haven to the upper-middle-class sedan buyer. What's new for 2018? Kia saw fit to create just one exchange signal of the Cadenza lineup for 2018. Last year's panoramic sunroof package, a sizable glass sunroof, power sunshade, and LED interior lighting is currently part from the luxury package about the base premium trim rather than being a separate $1,000 option. The big glass roof continues to be standard on technology and limited trims. What was new for 2017? The Cadenza was many new for 2017, marking Kia's sophomore effort to get a full-size luxury car. Completely redesigned from bumper to bumper, the sharper Cadenza comes with a sleeker interior and modern technologies, for instance Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, with an available head-up display. The 3.3-litre V6 engine was retuned for better fuel economy and paired completely to another 8-speed automatic transmission. For the first time, the Cadenza supplies a full suite of active safety technology. Trims and options we'd choose: we find the mid-range technology trim a year ago, and we'd hold steady on that recommendation for 2018 too. This year's build costs $40,190 and calls up many modern and luxury things that attract buyers in this particular segment, including panoramic sunroof, 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment with navigation, 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio, proximity approach lighting, all with the Cadenza's active safety technologies, will come with as standard with this mid-range trim and around the top-spec Limited model. While significantly less quick as the rivals, the Cadenza's V6 engine is velvety smooth and competent. The transmission may be more refined, though the smart driving mode makes all the most in the powertrain's capabilities. What's new for 2018? The components under the Cadenza's sculpted hood carry over to 2018 with zero changes. 2017 Kia Cadenza, the revised 3.3-litre V6 makes 290 horsepower, 3 below in the previous generation Cadenza, even though the engine itself is often a smooth operator. Initial throttle solution is sleepy. This helps to make the Cadenza simple to drive out partying without disturbing your passengers, but it really requires a heavy foot for further immediate zip at stoplights. The 8-speed automatic is carefree. It's never quick to improve gears, nonetheless it stumbles under heavy throttle, sufficient reason for sport mode engaged. Shifts feel abrupt. The transmission does use a manual shifting mode that may hold the gear before driver provides input. In addition to sport mode, the Cadenza has eco, comfort, and smart driving modes. Smart mode monitors your driving style and automatically switches between eco, sport, and comfort to deliver the optimum balance between performance, fuel economy, and operation. Based on EPA estimates, the Cadenza's fuel economy lags behind rivals from Buick, Toyota, and Nissan. In our personal testing, however, we found the Cadenza to become fuel efficient, and its cruising range was competitive while using class. What's new for 2018? The Cadenza's somewhat below average fuel economy ratings return unchanged for 2018. We expect our testing in contacts out similar results as this past year's model, which proved that real-world email address particulars are sometimes superior to expected. Fuel economy ratings compared. We perform each of our fuel economy tests to try to replicate how a lot of people drive about the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We keep a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and employ the cruise control whenever you can to mimic the way in which many drivers behave during long trips. The Cadenza's fair acceleration, refined ride, and handling capability will satisfy those inside market for any full-size sedan. Braking performance needs improvement, however, along with other rivals simply offer more speed and cornering ability. What's new for 2018? No mechanical changes under its handsome skin mean performance of 2018's model mirrors that relating to 2017's. Acceleration. The Cadenza isn't a slouch. 6.7 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour will do if BEP, however it's still one from the book your cars with this segment. Get around the accelerator hard, along with the 8-speed automatic is slow to capture on, with abrupt, late downshifts. The Cadenza is much better suited to laid-back driving styles than aggressive ones. Test results, acceleration, ride, handling, and steering. The Cadenza's suspension assimilates bumps admirably and is able to keep body motions in balance. The Cadenza's helm is light to the touch. Comfort is prioritized over sportiness here, however it's still a good handler.